with Escargot Boosted Garage. Thanks for following along with the Dodge A100 build. It's been a process, learned a lot while I've been working on this thing, and it's all stuff I'm going to take with me going forward. I hope I have a long life of building hot rods. This is what I'm super passionate about, how I want to live my life, make a career out of this. So I appreciate you guys following along, and I appreciate you guys watching the channel. Done a lot to get this front end kind of looking back the way I want it to. It was hit pretty good in the front, on the driver's side front. And as you saw in the other videos, it pushed the headlight bucket back. This front corner was pretty wrecked. So I've got it all dressed up, and I got a new skin welded in there. I got the grill fitting really nice, the way I'd like it. There's still a couple little dents in the bumper that I'm gonna pull out, but I mean, essentially got this corner fixed up. Essentially, I've got the front end kind of dialed in though to where I want it, and I'm really happy because it was a lot of work, and it was something that it was a pretty daunting task. I was worried that it wasn't going to end up working out for me, and yeah, anyways, here we are. So we're one step closer to primer and starting the body work, so I'm really excited. Again, thank you so much for following the build process. It's been exciting to do this. I really enjoy it. You can tell it's great white north here. Now summer is over, so the pressure's off, I guess. I got all winter now to finish it, but got a bunch of parts on order, just finishing stuff, and I'm getting really amped up to see some color on this thing. What color do you think we should go with this truck? I'm pretty torn right now. I really like a gunmetal metallic, or I'm even thinking like some kind of metallic blue that's just got a lot of flake in it, and even like kind of a larger cut flake, so that it's really sparkles like old school style. Pay homage to that era. I've got some sweet directional wheels, which I don't know if you saw in the older videos, but it's gonna look really rad once it's painted up and those wheels are on it. So anyways, as far as the channel goes, basically kind of going forward, I'm not saying we're not going to take on projects for other people, but essentially we're just going to feature content on the builds that we're doing ourselves. Between me, Brandon, Nikki, and Sean, we have all kinds of different vehicles, all kinds of project builds, and enough content that, yeah, it's like we like doing projects for other people, but unfortunately a lot of people don't know what it takes, what type of money goes into it, what type of time goes into it, and we end up looking like the bad guy sometimes if things don't work out the way somebody wanted, but their budget is reflected in the work that was done for them anyway. So we trying to shift the focus of the channel to do more just content coverage, car culture, boat culture, restoration projects like this, performance stuff with our Honda stuff, because if you watch the channel, it's not hard to see that we like our turbo Hondas. Yeah, so anyways, just keep following along, guys. I'm gonna try really hard to get more regular posts on YouTube. I've been up in our content game with Facebook and Instagram, so check out our pages there. Please, I don't usually ask this, but don't forget to like and subscribe. It does actually help, because it lets us know that people are watching, that people like our content, and it helps the algorithm to get more people watching our channel. Honestly, I really enjoy doing this. I'd like to do a lot more of it. I'd like to, once this project's done, I want to do something else. I still got the LS jet boat to work on, and yeah, there's a big preparation for next summer, because 3 of the 4 of us are here in Alberta. I think Nikki's gonna end up shipping his Honda Civic all-wheel drive hatch out. We're gonna get that thing dialed in, and we're gonna take it racing here in Alberta, which is gonna be phenomenal because there's Street Wheelers Weekend and there's the Claresholm Race Wars and a bunch of other events. We're only 2 hours from Medicine Hat Drag Strip. So yeah, I'm just really looking forward to next summer, and we're gonna push hard to get these projects done, and I'm gonna keep banging out the content for you guys, and yeah, hopefully you like it. Drop something in the comment box. Again, what color do you think this thing is gonna go? What color would you like to see it go? It's gonna be a rad ride. For those of you who don't know, it's got a 4.8 LS swap in it. So it's actually, it goes like stink for this thing because it's basically, there's not really a whole lot to it. It's like a bed with a truck bed with an LS motor strapped to it. So yeah, it's it's a fun machine. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll say it again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.